Okay, here we are again. This is lesson 70, course 2, lesson 70, and this is on volume. Volume's going to be a little hard to explain on a two-dimensional paper, but I'm going to do my best, and you're going to do your best, and then we'll see how we do. All right, so let's see what I'm talking about. All right, so volume, zoom in, there we go. If I have, okay, first of all, think of this as just this square, not a cube, all right? And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sections, right? And if I asked you to tell me the area of that square, you would take 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, and it would be 9 units squared, right? Now, volume is just thinking of them as cubes, right? So I have this 9 cubes, and I have another slice of 9 cubes, I have another slice of 9 cubes, I have another slice of 9 cubes. So I want you to think of it like slices of bread, all right? So if I slice my cube into 4 slices, each with 9 cubes, how many cubes do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of my cube. Each of them have 9 cubes, so 4 times 9 would be 36 cubes. Secret word, by the way, toast, because I thought about that when I made the bread. All right, so volume is going to be length times width times depth. Okay, length times width times depth, or height, sometimes they say. All right, volume is measured by using the cubes of standard size. So usually a cube is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So that would be 1 cubic centimeter, or we would say 1 centimeter cubed. Okay, with a 3, no longer squared. Now we're talking about cubed. So look at this beautiful little box. It is 3 centimeters tall, 5 centimeters wide, 4 centimeters long, or in depth. So we're going to slice it, all right? Here's my 3, right? Here's my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I said it was how long? 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 deep. All right, so now how many cubes is in just that first slice? Well, 3 times 5 is 15. So, and how many slices do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 times 4 would be 60 centimeters cubed. Does this help you? I hope it does. You need to think three-dimensionally again. All right, on to the next little paper. Volume, length times width times height. I always say depth, but officially it is V for volume equals length, width, height. Multiply those 3 and you have your volume. All right? So you can think also base, width, height. We have the length, the width, and the height. Okay? Excuse me. So if I have a box that has the height of 3, the length of 4, and the width of 6, I'm just going to multiply those 3 numbers. So I can do 3 times 4 is 12, times 6 is what? Let me think. 12 times 6, 72. So it would be 72 cubic units, because we don't even have it listed as, I didn't label it, so it would just be units. All right, now, what if we have this weird, odd shape? We're just going to divide it, just like we did when it was just two-dimensional, right? And we had to find area. Same thing, we're just going to divide it. So this time I know that part of the height is 4, the length is 8, and the depth or width is 4. Now, if I know that this is 4, and it's telling me this is 8, if I cut this off, if I cut it in half, I'm going to have 2 4-centimeter sections, right? So if I have 2 4-centimeter sections, I'm going to figure that this one right here, this little cube that I dotted off, that would be what? It would be 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 times 4 plus, okay, what was left here? Well, this is 8, so think of this. I know my drawing is not well proportioned, but just pretend that I drew equal size squares, okay? So we have 4 by, oh, I just did that wrong. Oh, yeah, here, 4 and 4. So what am I saying? I have, how many cubes would this be? If I drew it correctly, it'd be easier to see, but I have 1 cube, 2 cubes, 3 cubes, all 4 times 4 times 4. So I can actually do this. 4 times 4 times 4 times 3. So what's 4 times 4? What's 16? What's 16 times 4? Oh, I don't know. 64. What's 64 times 3? 64 times 3 is 12, 19, 192 centimeters cubed. All right, so what I want you to do for me, practice set A, B, C, E, and F. They're easy. Do them before class. And then problem set 2, 4, 5. And for number 5, use decimal numbers. That will help you. Okay, decimal numbers on number 5. 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 25, 26, 29, and 30. That's it. That's all I have for volume. It's a big concept, but I think if you can think of it as, you know, slices of bread and how much is in one slice, I think that should help you. And please remember, secret word, toast. Okay, that's all I got. I think I'll go make some toast. See ya. Bye.